Hi there, thanks for checking out this VIVE education video. In this video, we're going to teach you how to upload files to the meeting room and how to download notes from the meeting. Let's get started.
From the ViveSync website, you can upload files such as PDFs, images, videos, and 3D objects to your ViveSync cloud storage space so you can use them in your meetings. You can also download files created in meetings, including screenshots, whiteboard drawings, and sticky notes. First, let's learn how to upload files to ViveSync cloud storage. To get started, open your web browser, then go to the ViveSync website and sign in with your HTC account. At the top of the Sync web page, hover over Storage and click Files. Click Upload Files and choose the files you want to upload. If you want to add more files from a different location on your computer, click Add File. After you've selected all the files you want to upload, click Next. ViveSync will then upload your files. Files you've uploaded will be added under the corresponding file types and remain in your ViveSync cloud storage space until you remove them. If you want to upload PowerPoint files, click Launch ViveSync File Manager. You'll need to use ViveSync File Manager to upload PowerPoint files so they can be displayed correctly in the meeting room. Now let's learn how to download files such as screenshots, whiteboard drawings, and sticky notes created in meetings. To see all the files you've created in your meetings, go to Created Files. To download them, first select them from the list, then click Download and choose a save location. The ViveSync website makes it easy to upload files to use in your meetings and download content created during meetings.
Hi again, thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested in learning more about ViveSync or other Vive products, make sure to check out the other videos in this channel. I'll see you next time.